Welcome back to AI Startup Hub. This is AI Academy, and today we're tackling one of the most critical decisions for AI startups in 2025, choosing the right vector database. If you're building anything with embeddings, semantic search, or RAG applications, this video will save you weeks of research and potentially thousands of dollars in wrong choices. We'll compare the top 6 vector databases, break down their features, and I'll show you exactly which one fits your startup's needs and budget. Let's start with the basics. When your AI model processes text, images, or audio, it creates embeddings. These are just arrays of numbers that represent meaning. Traditional databases can't efficiently search through millions of these high-dimensional vectors. That's where vector databases come in. Instead of exact matches, vector databases find similar items using mathematical distance. Think of it as finding documents that mean something similar rather than documents that contain exact keywords. This powers everything from ChatGPT's knowledge retrieval to Netflix recommendations to semantic search in your apps. Here are the 6 critical features you need to evaluate. I'll rate each database on these later. First, performance. Can it handle your data size with sub-second queries? Look for databases supporting HNSW, IVF, or product quantization algorithms. Here's a real benchmark. Pinecone handles 10 million vectors with 50 milliseconds latency, while a poorly optimized solution might take 2 to 3 seconds. Second, can you store metadata alongside vectors? This is crucial for filtering. You want to search for AI papers from 2024, not just semantically similar content. Third, integration. Does it work seamlessly with your AI stack? The best databases offer native connectors to OpenAI, LangChain, and major cloud platforms. Fourth, real-time updates. Some databases require full index rebuilds when you add data. That's a startup killer. Look for databases that support streaming inserts and updates without downtime. Fifth, security. Enterprise customers demand encryption, RBAC, and compliance certifications. Even if you're B2C now, having SOC 2 and GDPR compliance opens doors to enterprise deals later. Finally, cost and deployment. Managed services are expensive but easy. Self-hosted saves money but needs DevOps expertise. Here's the reality. Pinecone costs $70 a month for 100K vectors. Milvus, self-hosted, might cost $50 a month in cloud infrastructure, but requires 20+ hours of setup. Now, let's dive into the top 6 vector databases. I'll give you the honest pros and cons of each. Pinecone is the Tesla of vector databases. Premium, polished, but expensive. Pros? Setup takes 5 minutes. Performance is excellent. Developer experience is fantastic. Cons? Pricing scales aggressively. No self-hosted option. Vendor lock-in. Best for startups prioritizing speed to market over cost optimization. Milvus is the open-source powerhouse. Think PostgreSQL of vector databases. Pros? Completely free. Scales to billions of vectors. GPU acceleration. Cloud-native architecture. Cons, complex setup, requires Kubernetes expertise, no managed option, officially. Best for startups with strong DevOps teams and large-scale ambitions. Weaviate combines vector and keyword search. It's like having Google and semantic search in one. Pros, hybrid search capabilities, rich schema support, great for multimodal data. Cons, more complex than pure vector DBs, higher memory requirements. Best for enterprise startups needing sophisticated search capabilities. Qdrant is the developer-friendly choice. Rust-powered performance with Python simplicity. Pros? Excellent real-time performance, simple API, efficient filtering, self-hosted or cloud. Cons? Smaller ecosystem compared to Pinecone, limited enterprise features. Best for startups wanting balance between performance, cost, and simplicity. Chroma is the SQLite of vector databases, lightweight and perfect for prototyping. Pros, runs locally, zero setup, great for development and small applications. Cons, not production scale, limited advanced features. best for prototyping, proof of concepts, and local development. If you're already using Elastic, their vector support is a natural evolution. Pros: seamless migration from keyword search, mature ecosystem, enterprise ready. Cons: vector search's newer feature, performance lags specialized solutions. Best for teams already invested in the Elastic stack. Here's my decision framework. Answer these questions honestly. Step 1. What's your data scale? Under 1 million vectors, Chroma or Qdrant. 1 million to 100 million vectors, Pinecone or Qdrant Cloud. 100 million plus vectors, Milvus or Weaviate Enterprise. Step 2. What's your team's technical depth? Beginner team, Pinecone, managed. Intermediate team, Qdrant Cloud or Weaviate Cloud. Advanced team, self-hosted Milvus or Qdrant. Step 3. What's your budget reality? Bootstrap budget, Chroma to Qdrant self-hosted. Growth stage, Pinecone or Qdrant Cloud. Enterprise budget, Weaviate or custom Milvus deployment. Step 4. Special requirements. Need hybrid search to Weaviate or Elasticsearch. Need real-time updates to Qdrant or Pinecone. Need multimodal to Weaviate. Need maximum performance? Milvus with GPU. Based on working with 50+ AI startups, here are my honest recommendations for each stage. Pre-seed or MVP stage. Go with Chroma or Qdrant locally. You need to validate your idea, not optimize infrastructure. Chroma gets you running in 2 minutes. Seed stage or early traction. Pinecone or Qdrant Cloud. You have users, some revenue, but limited engineering bandwidth. Pay for managed services and focus on product market fit. Budget, $200 to $500 a month for vector database is reasonable at this stage. Series A and scaling. Evaluate Milvus or Weaviate. You have dedicated DevOps, growing data volumes, and need cost optimization. This is when self-hosting starts making sense. You'll save 60 to 70% on database costs, which matters when you're processing millions of vectors. Series B plus and enterprise. Custom Milvus deployment or Weaviate Enterprise. You need multi-tenancy, advanced security, and can build a dedicated data platform team. Consider hybrid approaches, Milvus for core search and Pinecone for rapid experimentation. Here are the 5 biggest mistakes I see startups make. Mistake 1. Choosing based on hype. Don't pick the newest, shiniest database. Pick the one that fits your current needs and team skills. Mistake 2. Over-engineering early. Don't build for 100 million users when you have 100. Start simple, migrate when you need to scale. Mistake 3. Ignoring total cost of ownership. Factor in engineering time, not just license costs. A free database that takes 2 weeks to set up isn't actually free. Mistake 4. Vendor lock-in without exit strategy. Plan your migration path. Can you export your vectors and metadata if needed? Mistake 5. Not testing with real data. Test with your actual data size and query patterns, not toy examples. Before we wrap up, here's what's coming in 2025. Trends to watch. Multi-vector search. Storing multiple embeddings per document for different aspects. Sparse dense hybrid, combining keyword and semantic search at the database level. Edge deployment. Vector databases running on mobile devices and edge computing. Auto optimization. AI-powered index tuning and query optimization. Final recommendations. My bottom line recommendations. 1. For rapid prototyping, start with Chroma. 2. For production MVP, Pinecone or Qdrant Cloud. 3. For scale and cost optimization, Milvus. 4. For enterprise features, Weaviate. 5. For existing Elastic users, Elasticsearch Vector Search. Most important, choose based on your team's current capabilities, not future ambitions. You can always migrate later. That's a wrap. If this helped you choose the right vector database, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI infrastructure deep dives. Questions? Drop them below. I read every comment and often turn them into full videos. Until next time, keep building the future of AI.